The SSimder TIG Welder 250A is a versatile 6-in-1 machine that supports various welding modes, making it ideal for working with aluminum, stainless steel, carbon steel, and iron. Its advanced pulse TIG technology ensures stable arcs and reduces heat, resulting in cleaner welds with minimal distortion on both aluminum and steel materials. The smart synergic function simplifies the welding process for beginners by automatically configuring critical parameters, enabling professional quality results. With professional TIG capabilities, this welder offers adjustable gas timing, current settings, and trigger modes for efficient and precise welding operations. Its compact size and lightweight design make it suitable for a range of scenarios, from garden maintenance to auto repairs and metal art projects. The package includes essential accessories like a TIG torch, power cord, conversion cord, and operation manual, providing everything needed to get started with welding.